How to use Excel Dynamic VLOOKUP with Match. Create a drop-down list in cells E3 as name and E4 as info using data validation. I have added the segment data in cell E3 for data validation. As for info data validation, I have used headings that are present in row 7. For the result, we will use the VLOOKUP function. Using this formula equals VLOOKUP. A3, D7, G26, 1, 0. Press enter to view the result. Match method. Hence we are not able to find the result of all, so we will use match function to get the result. Using this formula equals VLOOKUP. A3, D7, G26, match, E4, D and G7, 0, 0. Press enter to view the result. To see other information, change the header name from the drop-down menu. Click the drop-down, select the desired option, and hit enter.